What's going on, guys? My name is Alexander Mazai with NFTs.tips, and we're going to teach you about non-fungible tokens. So let's go! And today we got Mr. Levels, and he's a Forex educator, but we're going to teach you about NFTs. We're going to go through a walkthrough on how to set up a RARIBLE account. So what's up, Mr. Levels?
What's going on? What's going on, Alex? How you doing today, bro?
Fantastic. So what are we doing here? Where do we got to go? I want to figure this out.
So yeah, let's walk through this thing. So first thing we want to do is go to rarible.com.
R-A, I don't know how to spell it. Rarible, like that?
Yep.
Alright, so I'm going to put Rarible, and it says right here, rarible.com.
Yep.
And so what do we do?
So the very first thing we want to do is connect our wallet.
What's a wallet?
A wallet is your wallet is your mechanism that you use to connect with the platform. So in order to connect with the platform, you have to be connected to a crypto wallet.
So not the wallet in my pocket, the wallet in my, I don't have a crypto wallet.
So first thing we have to do is create you a crypto wallet.
Alright, so I'm going to add a new screen. Where do we go to do that?
We could go to Coinbase wallet
So Coinbase wallet is what you think we
or
should use?
MetaMask. Let's use MetaMask wallet.
What is that? MetaMask. Alright,
Yeah,
so I'm going to go
there we go.
MetaMask, and I'm going to hit right here. This is MetaMask. Download.
Yep, we're going to download the MetaMask wallet.
And it says Chrome. That's what I'm in. So Google Chrome, install MetaMask.
Correct.
Alright, so I guess it's going to take a few seconds.
Just give it a few seconds. Yeah, it should pop up.
I guess a lot of people are downloading it. Look at it. It's taking so long.
Yeah, a lot of transactions going on right now. A lot of volume.
3 million users. Okay, so we're going to
Wow.
download this, add the extension. So for the people who don't know, the extension is going to appear in the top right hand corner right over here, and then it's going to disappear. What you're going to have to do is a little secret I'm going to show you as soon as it installs. It's going to take a few seconds, and you're going to learn how to be patient in this game, right? This is...
Absolutely.
So you see how it's right there? If I move this cursor off, it disappeared. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit this little puzzle piece, and there's a little pin. You're going to push that pin, and it's going to stay and live inside your browser. So it says get started, and I do not have a wallet address, so we're going to create a new one. And what do I agree?
Agree. That's just a user
Okay.
agreement.
So we're going to write this code down. Hold on. Make sure you remember it, otherwise it's not going to be good. And write this in a piece of paper so you remember it. Read the terms and services right over here, but for time's sake we're just going to hit create. And the next thing you're going to do, and do not do this, this is definitely not the way to do it, but we're going to do it to save time and to show you how this works, is you're going to have to take these words. This is a seed phrase. What's a seed phrase? Can you tell me?
So yeah, your seed phrase is what gives you access to your wallet. So it's kind of like your second password. But if you lose this phrase, you will never be able to get back into your wallet. So it's like literally the most important thing attached to your wallet.
Alright, so you're going to hear in this space, not your keys, not your crypto. So what that means is this is like a password that you can't go, and if you forget it, you can't hit a button, forgot my password. This is that important. So write it on a piece of paper. Do not take a screenshot of it. Do not copy it and put it in a notepad. Do not email it to yourself. It's super, really serious stuff. Okay?
Absolute.
So we're going to push this here. We're going to hit Command C. I'm going to just do this for educational purposes. Now that you guys seen this wallet address, it's absolutely useless. So that means it's compromised. But this is how you would do it. I want to show you. You go here, urge, summer, quit, and you play a game and you match it up in the order of your seed key. So kidney, student, comfort, wine, program. If you mix these up, it does not allow you to confirm to go forward. So make sure that you get them in the right order. And when you do, it will say confirm. So now it says we're all done. Congratulations. We don't need this right now. And now we have a wallet, right?
Now we have a wallet.
All right. So let's just go over the understanding of what this wallet is. This is your account. So your account is your name, and you can change this, and I recommend that you change it to an identification that you can identify. And underneath this is your public address. So when people say send me money, and they're going to say send me your public address, this is where you find that. And then you got your, how much, what is ETH? It says 0 ETH. What is that?
That's your Ethereum.
Okay, so that's a form of cryptocurrency, and it shows you a value in USD, so you have an idea. And you can click buy, send, or swap. And then these are your assets. And then when you do transactions, it's going to have a list of those over here. Okay, and then over here, this is where you can create other wallets, import wallets, or whatever. We have another video on that, but I just wanted to give you that quick anatomy. We no longer need this. This is no longer useful to us. And we're going to go back to RARIBLE.com, right?
Correct.
So let's go back here, and it says the first thing I saw was connect wallet. Is that the first thing we should do?
Yep, that's the very first thing you want to do.
Oh, they moved the whole UI UX on me. So connect wallet. So we connect a wallet, and what should happen is it's going to ask me all these different questions, and I don't see the little fox as an option right now.
So we're going to click on show more.
And it's still not there. So maybe we need to refresh. How about that?
Yeah.
Because it wasn't installed. So there we go. Most popular. So how is this the most popular one, but it wasn't even an access to this website? That makes no sense to me. But
that's a very interesting question, and that it may be something that we as a community need to forward over to the Rarible team.
I'm sure they know. So here, we're going to hit next. So what this is, I'm going to hit this again. We're going to go through this. Oh, error. Let's try this again. When you click this button, this is Web 3.0. I messed up because I wanted to explain this. We're going to hit the refresh again. When you're signing into regular websites, what is this? Hit cancel. Alright, so that's the regular wallet. When you use a regular website, you have to use a username, a password, and that's how they log you in and track you. In Web 3.0, you're going to use what is called a wallet, and that's how you do all your transactions and signing and getting in and out. So you're using one username pretty much and one password, and that gives you access to the whole new infrastructure called Web 3.0. So we're going to click this button, and it's going to pop up, and we have to say, do you want to connect with your MetaMask? So this is like, okay, yes. And connect. So we're now connected. Are you at least 13 years old? Yes. Do you read the terms and services and say yes? I agree. And we're going to hit proceed.
Proceed.
Okay, that's it. So now we're connected.
Now we're connected to the Rarible platform. Now we are able to create NFTs. We are able to purchase NFTs.
All right. So let's go here. We have loading here. I don't know how long this takes. I'm going to just hit refresh because the internet seems to be acting a little slow.
There's a lot of people creating Rarible accounts tonight, bro.
Exit. Wait. No, exit page. I want to refresh. Reload. Alright, so we have our icon here from that before when you went in your MetaMask. This is the profile picture for your wallet, allegedly.
Yes, and then you can edit that profile picture as well, which we'll get to in a moment.
Alright, so why don't you tell me what the layout is while we're waiting for this to load.
Okay, so right now we're on the Explore page. This right here is the page where you can explore other NFT artists, NFT artwork projects, the whole shebang you explore from this page here.
It looks pretty clean. I got no Raleighs in here, so I'm broke. What is that?
Yeah, you got no so that is Rarible's token. That's that's the Rarible's platform token, and Yeah, the more you purchase and the more you sell on the platform, they award you tokens for that.
So we got our friend over here, Flostradamus. He made it on the top seller day one. Let's see what he has for
Yeah,
collectibles.
yeah, he did.
All right. So what is this? This is a profile page.
Mm-hmm.
It looks just like OpenSea, which is really weird.
Yes.
Auction ends,
And
and
that's the really cool thing with Rarible. Rarible is interchangeable with OpenSea. So whenever you mint to Rarible, it automatically lists to OpenSea.
oh, okay. So this is what he's selling.
Yes.
All right. Now this is
So
one of the things that I never really understood. It says WETH, which means wrapped ETH, not wealth.
uh-huh.
And how do you acquire wealth?
So you will acquire that through your wallet.
Okay. So let's
So
let's let's start here.
so first let's edit our profile. Let's click on your profile picture.
All right. It says create. This means you're going to create your NFT. This is the layout of the basically the what did you call this? The Explorer page.
Yep.
So these are the number one. Well, wait. These are the number one sellers in one day, and we got Flostradamus here. I don't recognize any of these off the top of my head. And then if we scroll down, these are hot bids. These are profiles or collectible things. It looks like I don't know what's going on with the internet, but let's just keep hitting wait. It looks like the internet's a little slow here,
Yeah.
but it looks like some things are starting to load. Let's see if it's. Let's try to hit refresh.
I really like Rarible's layout though. Bright and you can also change, to dark mode if dark mode is better on your eyes.
Is that easy? So it says it's loading again. This is that Explore page you showed me. We're looking at
There
the
you
home
go.
screen. We're looking at the home screen. This is the top sellers of the day. These are some of the hottest bids. These are hot collections. So it looks like there's different people who are participating. And then this is just some of the art that's for sale, right? These look kind of cool.
Yep. Yeah, man. Very cool.
So this is the price, 0.03.
Yep. 0.3 ETH. You have one right there beside it, 0.14 ETH.
And
Yeah.
are you able to think in ETH yet? Look, here's
Oh
Burnt
yeah.
Banksy. What's this Burnt Banksy dude doing here?
Burnt Banksy. Where is he?
Right here. What does this mean when there's these little things at the top?
Oh, so that's showing you the activity for that NFT. So it's showing you everybody who's made a transaction with that NFT, whether they're the creator, whether they're the owner, or whether they're somebody who purchased it.
Oh, so this is how they're gonna get you. Once you start knowing people's IDs, you're gonna be like, oh, okay, I recognize that one.
Absolutely.
So that's kind of cool. All right, so we're gonna go to rary.io right here. Not rary.io. Rare, this little
Rare.
profile picture.
Hmm.
All right, I'm gonna click the profile picture. Eventually, it's gonna respond to me. There it goes. And I'm gonna be patient because this
Now
stuff
you
takes some
see at
time.
the bottom where it says dark theme.
Uh huh.
Check that and see if you like dark theme better. Cause I like dark theme better.
All right. Is this like Knight Rider?
Yeah.
All right. So this is dark mode.
Yeah.
All right. So this is cool. We got a bunch of different things. These are like really neat looking, right?
Yeah. Really cool.
All right. So now we're in our wallet. It says display name. So I'm gonna create a new display name, and it's gonna ask me to sign in my wallet to make the transaction to edit the profile.
Yep.
So we hit agree, and let's choose our file that we want to add as our profile picture. We're going to go over here in the file format, and I'm going to scroll all the way to the bottom, and I got my little guy right here. Boom. So we're gonna upload that. The name of this one should be NFTs.tips, and the username should be NFTs.tips, right?
Yes.
And what's the bio?
Um.
Well, like telling about yourself, right? So NFTs.tips Foundation is a non-profit organization that empowers and educates. Oh, how about this? Empowers, educates, and onboards creators, collectors, and curators.
Nice.
Right? That's what we do. So my Twitter name is at NFTs.tips. My personal portfolio or site is https://nfts.tips. And my email address for notifications, we should put something that we want. Is this shown to the world?
No.
Alright, so we're gonna put okay. Hello.
But you do need to make sure it's one you have access to and it's one that you're gonna check because you're gonna have to confirm it to get verified.
Well, hold on. So NFTs.tips, right?
Right.
So
very this is very important, and we want to make sure we pay very close detailed attention to this. You want to go back to where it says your Twitter name, and you want to hit link.
Hit this button here?
Yes. And you want to send that tweet out.
Is that it?
Yes. And so now you go back.
Does it close itself or does it just sit here?
It just sits there. You have to close it out yourself.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay.
And now you click on check right there where it says yes. Click check. And it says your Twitter account is successfully verified. It will show up on your profile page. Click continue. And now you will see that it says verified Twitter.
Awesome. Now everything that I did is deleted. So we got to do everything again.
Yep.
Awesome. So I think the move is to do the Twitter account before you do this.
Yes.
Right,
it would be better to do it that way. And with that being said, it probably would be better to go ahead and confirm your email as well.
So don't do anything else until you do the Twitter and the
Email.
So let's go here, email address, and we're going to put RARIBLE@nfts.tips. Confirm. So now I have to go to that website. I only got 45 seconds to do this. Oh my goodness. Alright, so let's go. Hopefully I got it. And I got 20 seconds left. I feel like I'm down to a clock. What do I got to do? I got 18 seconds left. I didn't open my mail.
It's just gonna run out.
I just got it. Oh my god. I got 9 seconds left. 9 seconds. I have to hit the confirm button.
Yep.
Hope. Copy link. Oh shit. Damn it. Did I get it?
I think you got it.
Yo, talk about anxiety.
Right. It's like, no, did I get it? Yeah, you got it.
All right, perfect. So now I'm excited. Now what? Do I go back to that page or do I start all over again?
No, you go click back on your icon.
So I'm here, but I have to. So let's close this one out because we did certain things, and we're gonna go back to this thing
Yeah.
and select
Go
this.
back to edit profile.
And now I have to hit this button here.
Sign again.
Okay. So we did that. All right, next.
Scroll down.
Confirm.
Confirm. Yeah, that's what you want to see. I love seeing green. Okay, now you can go back and edit your display name.
I wish I saved
Uh,
this.
it was a good bio too.
NFTs.tips Foundation is a non-profit organization that empowers, educates, and onboards creators, collectors, and curators. Visit https://FTS.tips to join the fastest growing NFT community. How about that?
Yeah.
And I'm going to just save this in a special Word document so we don't get this problem ever again.
Yeah, that'll be smart.
Alright, so this is a technique that I use. Sometimes I copy these things so I don't have to rewrite them over and over and over again. https nfts.tips, and we're going to choose this file here. We're going to go to the bottom. JPEG and open. So now it didn't work, so I don't know what that means. Should we just try to hit update profile and see if it does something?
Yes. Hold on. No. First, let's hit proceed with verification process to get more visibility and gain trust on Rarible Marketplace. Please allow up to several weeks for the process. You want to get verified. So click get verified.
Okay. Now what? I just get to look at a black screen with a little white X on the top? What? I don't understand.
Yeah, for the you
close it?
Close that out. Okay, give it a moment. It may be loading.
Alright, so let's see if this is a pop-up. Let's see if this is the reason it's not working. Do not block for the next 30 seconds. And look at that. How cool is that?
That's cool.
I get to redo all that information again.
I didn't have that problem.
I'm just saying, get verified. Start. What is this?
This is to get you verified. So you need to share a link to your Rarible profile.
Hit OK.
Yep. You need to paste your Ethereum. Yep. So you
go to a little MetaMask, and then we select right here and double click here, copy, and that's your Ethereum address.
Yeah.
Is that right? That's not right.
No. You want to hold on.
Oh, there it goes. That's the right address. Yeah. Alright, okay.
Okay.
I am a creator.
Creator.
Tell us about yourself. What is the concept behind items you are creating, collecting, or selling? 2+ paragraphs. Please be specific. How about we put this thing that we did here?
Mm-hmm.
And then I'm going to put, oh shit. How do you go back?
Hit the back button on the browser.
The back button on the browser? You sure?
No, I'm not. I'm not.
What's this? Oh, I think I did it. Okay, so the content we are creating will be used to educate people in the minting process, as well as other unique opportunities to engage in creative user experiences. How about that?
Nice. I like that.
Alright, okay. So next, add a screenshot of your work in progress or one of the things you minted, Photoshop, Illustrator, or Backstage process. So I'm going to open up my thing here, and I'm going to go, I minted my first
NFT.
Alright, I minted my first NFT, my first RARIBLE, right? My first, how do you spell it? Is that right?
RARIBLE. Yeah, that's correct.
Alright, so we're going to just take that, and I'm a little bit of a perfectionist, so I'm going to just take this and tilt it just a little bit so that I isn't like sitting right there. And then what I like to do is I like to do this as an extra little bonus. I'm going to find a RARI token, RARI token, and I'm going to find the image that's associated to that. And which one do you think is more? This one?
I like the yellow one. Yeah.
This one?
The yellow one, yeah.
But this one looks like it's the RARI token. This one looks like it's the RARI logo.
Yeah, you're right. So let's go with the RARI token, yeah.
Alright, so I'm just trying to be consistent. Let's see if this is a good high res. It's not really super high res, but let's see how it looks in this. We're going to drag this over here. Oh, not too bad. So this looks like a little coin going in the piggy bank. Right?
Yep.
So I'm going to take a screenshot of this to show them what I'm doing here and give them a little behind the scene, because that's what they asked for, right? Attach a screenshot of your work. So we just did that. Let's go to desktop. And is this a screenshot? No. Here it goes, right here. So this is the screenshot. We're going to hit open. And we're going to upload that. Then we're going to hit next. Right?
Yep.
Okay. Your Twitter handle. https://www.twitter.com/NFTs.tips. Okay? Instagram follow. https instagram.com/NFTs.tips. Okay? https NFTs.tips. Right? Email RARIBLE@NFTs.tips. And we're done with that. So hit enter to continue. I don't know. I can hit this X. I'm done.
Yes.
I didn't hit the button, and now it's bringing me to the Explore page. Okay, so let's go back to try to change this thing again. So that little yellow flag is a verified account.
Yep. Once you see that, you're verified and you're in the game.
So here's another observation. It said it takes them weeks because they have a small team of people who are probably doing this verification process and they have to do it by hand.
Hmm.
So if you're just learning about NFTs and you think that this is going to be a space that you're going to want to explore and participate in, I recommend, even though you don't know a lot, go through these things and set up all your accounts and wait for the application to go through. So now you have the account ready when you're ready to mint, right?
Absolutely. I agree with that.
You co-sign.
Yep, I co-signed that.
All right, so I don't know what this is. It's not showing me why this isn't working. Does it say it has to be?
Maybe it's too large. Maybe you're trying to up. Let's go with the NFT tips logo.
That is the logo. It's the
Oh,
hold on,
I don't know
document.
what's wrong then. That's crazy.
Yeah. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to create a special 400 by 400 image. Oh, I got so many files in this computer. All right, right here. So this file is only 800 kilobits.
Oh yeah, it should definitely work.
It's saying at least 400 by 400. It's still not going.
Okay, now refresh. Hit refresh.
Uh, uh, hold on. I'm going to open this here. Let me save this, and then I'm going to open up a new one. So this is now save as, and I think a good file format is either JPEG or PNG, right?
Correct.
So I'm going to put RARIBLE, and I'm going to hit JPEG. Oh, how about PNG? I think PNG is a good size. This is going to be our first NFT. Hit OK. And we're going to select the smallest file size. So that's done. And I'm going to just save it as a Photoshop file too in case we have to come back to this.
Outstanding.
And I think it's easy to understand what we're doing. We're walking you through a process. It's a process. It's never going to be super easy, super simple. And sometimes it's good to
Never.
watch people struggle through it because you never know, you know?
Yep. Great experience, and we're all learning together.
Yeah. Alright, so we're just going to save this as the same file name but as a PSD. Rare. Alright, variable. Save. Alright, that's done. So now I'm gonna close this and I'm gonna create a file format. Let's do it 500 by 500. So it said at least 400 by 400, right? At
Yep.
least. So we're gonna create new, and over here we're gonna open this up and it says pixels. I'm gonna do 500 by 500, 300 dpi, and we're gonna hit open. So that's the file there. So we're going to drag this in here. Now let's see how big it is compared to this. It seems to fit just fine. And I'm just going to save this as a JPEG, right? Because this is just a profile picture. Let's see if that's the solution. Choose file. Alright. Right here, profile picture. 100 kilobytes. So that's tiny. Still didn't work.
That's crazy.
Alright, so let's just
So
do this. NFTs.tips. NFTs.tips. Bio. Thank you
paste.
for copying this
Smart
here.
move, Alex.
Yeah, this is how you learn. By messing up everything in your whole life.
Yeah, that's
And
true.
then
That's
and then you
very
get
true.
better at it. You get better
Yep,
at something that you can teach other people what not to do.
that's very true.
Alright, update portfolio profile. Alright, this doesn't work. It has to be a valid URL. Why is this not a valid URL?
You simply got to put the .com behind it.
It's not a .com, it's a .tips. And I can't have a period here. So there's
Nope.
that. And I'm just going to make that a capital S so you can see the difference. And update profile. It's now X'd out. So now I can't even do anything.
Take the delete the S off of the bottom one and re-put it. Put it again.
This one?
Yeah.
Oh,
delete it and then put
that
it
was
again.
why. There was an extra space. Alright. Still can't do anything. Look. NFTs.tips. Alright, this is not fun. Alright, let's hit refresh and do it again. I'm going to save this as a PNG file and see if that makes a difference. It says GIFs work too, so we might have to change that as a GIF. Save as. I'm going to just save it as a GIF because it said it takes GIFs. Didn't say PNGs. And save, sign. Let's choose file. And now it should say GIF. So let's see if this works now. Alright, that works.
There you go.
So it has to be a GIF. NFTs. I don't remember if this had to have a period or not. I'm going to put it in here anyway. And then this had to be NFTs tips. A bio about myself, Command V. Nope. Bio. Emails confirmed. Alright, update profile. Come on, cross your fingers. What the? Oh, come on. What's wrong with this? There must be valid alpha number value. So you have to have a number in here?
No.
I bet you it does.
Has to be, as a matter of fact, I think I know exactly what's wrong. Make it all lowercase.
I don't think that's what it is. I think it has to have a number. Hopefully, you're right.
Yeah, that's what it is.
All right,
I remember.
So that wasn't that hard, right?
No, it wasn't that hard at all.
All right,
it was fun, actually.
All right, yeah, you keep telling that to yourself. All right, I need to create. Why does it keep asking me to wait? How long do I gotta wait? So I want to add a cover too, just because I like having extra things in here. Update cover image.
Absolutely.
So I don't know what the file size of this is, but I'm gonna put this on anyway.
You're gonna upload the same GIF?
No. I have a header.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Alright, let's go. Where are we going? It's got to be all the way at the bottom. I started at the bottom, now I'm here. Where are we going?
Drizzy, baby.
Let's go. Alright, I don't need to see it. Come on, guys. Here it is. Header. Hopefully this works. First time. Looks like it's working.
We'll have something to work for the first time for us tonight.
Alright. Let's see how it looks. Looks great. I love it. Fantastic. Where do I sign up? Why is it not working? Oh, come on. Hit enter.
Just refresh your browser. Refresh your browser. It'll pop up.
You promise?
I'm not gonna promise, but I'm pretty confident.
Alright, I'm not confident at all. Not at all. Let's see if it works. I got nothing. So we'll just wait. If not, I'm just gonna skip that part. We'll figure that out later.
Okay, cool. So
we got a Rarible account. This is what's in my wallet, so that's why you're able to see all these things. This is actually the community vault. So when people learn how to create an NFT with NFTs.tips, they actually mint it, and they have an extra one that they save and they transfer it to our community vault. So we're eventually going to become one of the biggest crypto art collections in the world.
absolutely, that's super dope.
Alright,
Yeah.
so it's still not working. So what's next?
So now, do we want to walk the people through how to actually create an NFT?
So let's go here. Multiple. I want to create multiple.
Okay, cool beans.
And I want to upload that file. It says PNG. It doesn't say anything about JPEG, which is really strange. So
You
I'm
sure?
glad. Yeah, I'm sure. Watch. PNG, GIF, Web P, MP4
Okay.
or MP3. No
Okay.
JPEG. So
No JPEG.
that's good to know. We're going to use this one here, which is I minted my first variable unmintable variable. Okay.
Nice.
Now I want to put it on sale.
Okay.
Do I want to receive bids? What does that mean?
Absolutely.
But I want an
So,
instant sale price.
yeah, so you want to add that, you want to check instant sale price, and you want to put your price.
So how about $100?
$100.
All right, I see a problem already. You will receive 97.5 ETH, $200,000. So that's not what I want. I want it in dollars. Is there a way to select this to dollars?
No,
You sure?
I'm positive.
What? Why do they make it so hard? Where'd it go? You could select any of these tokens in exchange. Like you could sell it for that token.
Yes.
What? Really? So do you get? All right. So we're going to show you this now. This is called USD because that's where we are to ETH. And this is going to show us how much $100 is in ETH. $100 is 0.45 ETH. Now this will change, but I think that's a good price. Command C. And we're going to hit Command V. So that's how $97 is what we'll receive.
Correct.
Okay. So what is this? In collection? Do I create or put it under Rarible?
So you can use Rarible, and Rarible will create it for you. They will do all the coding and everything for you, or you can do create and you can write your own smart contract.
I don't know anything about writing my own smart contract, so we're going to just leave it on the
Yeah.
default selecting. And
Yes.
I minted my first NFT, my first Rary, we'll put Rarible NFT with NFTs.tips. Okay? Description. We can do this too here. I'm going to paste this in here as well. But
That's
before,
our mission statement.
I know, but I'm going to put above here this. Alright. Purchasing this NFT is a way to say thank you to the NFTs.tips team for teaching you how to mint on RARIBLE.com, right?
Awesome.
You want to make sure you spell everything the way you want to, because this is permanent.
Absolutely.
And I made that mistake on other things, so that's why I'm very adamant about spelling and everything else. So royalties, what does that mean?
Royalties is what you would like to receive in perpetuity from selling your pieces.
So I'm going to put the highest. So if you're going to sell this, you're going to continue to give back to the community.
That's right.
Number of copies. So can we do 10,000?
Yeah, absolutely.
Is that a lot? Or should we do...
That's a lot, but you can do it. Let's do 1,000, 10,000. It's up to you.
How much is this going to cost? If I do 1,000 or 10,000, is it different in price?
It shouldn't be. I don't think it is.
Alright, another question. If I do this, is it going to mint all of them all at the same time? Or is this... Okay, so properties, what the hell is this?
Properties is the owner.
Alright, what does that mean?
You're the owner, so you would put in you can put your name or either NFT Tips name.
So how about we put NFTs.tips?
Yep.
Alright. So let's preview it, make sure we got everything correct. We're selling them for approximately $97.41. We got 10,000 of them. And that's it, right? Hit create item.
Hit create.
Alright, what is this?
Oh, you got to take that period out.
How about a space? NFT. How about we just
I think
skip
it got to be all lowercase. It got to be all lowercase.
It's not working either.
That's not it either, is it? Well,
Alright,
how about we just leave that empty?
It says optional.
It's optional. Yes, so we can leave that empty.
Alright, so we left that empty. I hit continue. What is this now?
Now it's asking you to approve the transaction. You got to sign it.
Alright, so we didn't go over it in this video, but you needed ETH inside your wallet to make this transaction, correct?
Absolutely.
So it's only asking me for $4.95 to mint this, or just to say approve?
Just to say approve.
So
that's the gas fee.
I'm getting paid. I'm paying $5 just to say okay.
Yep.
Oh my goodness.
Yep.
Okay, I'm just making this a point because some people are gonna say, "Oh, $5, that's cool." So I just paid $5 to approve that I can now go on to the next thing, which is now minting the tokens.
Yeah.
So start. So now it's going to ask me for another purchase. How much is this going to cost me?
We have no idea.
So $22
Yeah.
and 60 cents. I got to hit confirm again. So now we're down $5, $6, $7, $28 almost.
$28.
So, and we didn't even get it to sell yet.
Yep, that's correct.
Alright, now I'm going to hit start. And I got to pay another price?
Start, yep.
And you like this platform?
Yes, I do. I
Well,
love this platform.
so tell me why. I just got charged almost $30. Oh, this one's not asking for money this time. So hit OK.
Yep, sign.
All right, here we go. Keep it coming. How you like me now? We're done. So we did it.
Yep.
All right. So now what?
So now you click on my items
Where's that?
at the top beside
Oh,
explore.
okay. You confuse me sometimes. All right.
I'm
There's just so much on the screen. I don't know where to look. I hit the button. It brings me back to my items. So is it somewhere in here maybe?
yes.
Load more.
Yep. Hold on. Scroll back up to the top. I'm sorry. Scroll back up to the top. Click on right there. You see where it says created, but it says 0. It should say 1 besides created.
Where's created?
Right here where you see where it says collectibles above your first NFT.
Created. Yeah, I got nothing there. I got Stunad. They're gonna take more of my money.
No, they should not take more of your money. Your piece should be minted. That's what I'm not understanding what's going on. It should be minted.
What's going on? What is this? That's somebody's art that they sent us. Alright, so let's go back. You said my items. So maybe, alright, I'm going to do this. This is a trick that I learned. You can click on the little fox. And we could see if, was there a possible failed transfer, failed transaction? It says
Maybe.
new items available. Refresh.
Refresh. Damn, it took your browser a long time to update.
Alright, so I hit the refresh button. Refreshing, refreshing, refreshing. I don't feel refreshing, but let's see how it feels.
Let's see how it feels.
Refreshing.
So refreshing.
Alright, I see a new item here. Ooh, we got 10,000 of them. There we go. There we go. Alright, so now I want to show everybody to the world that it's available now. I clicked on it. And now what?
So now what you do to show it's available is you click on the 3 little dots beside the heart button. Scroll down to share and share it to your platforms, which it only gives you the Twitter, Facebook, and Telegram platforms.
So this is how you promote it?
Yes.
Oh, that's pretty cool. Alright, so is it going to write the tweet for me too?
Yes. So when you ask me what do I love about it, these are some of the features that I love about it.
So hit this button.
Yep. And you just promoted your first NFT with Rarible.
Alright, so we did that. Close this.
Correct.
Okay. Alright, so let's go next to what's next?
So next, do you want to promote it to your Telegram?
No, I want to show people how to buy it now. How do we buy it?
Okay, cool. So now when somebody would like to buy it, what they would do they would
I'm
come.
gonna come in with a different address.
Okay.
That was from last night. Epic fail. Alright, so this is a different user now. Let's just double check. I'm now signing in with my account. And I'm going to go to Rarible, right?
Yep.
Or I could potentially go to the Twitter and hit that link and I can see it right there. That would be a
Go
way
right
too, right?
there. Yep.
All right, but let's say I want to find somebody that I know is on Rarible, and I don't know how to do that. So let's see how that works.
Now, when we talk about searching for people, searching for artists, and searching for collectors on Rabble, it's very glitchy. For the simple fact, I don't know why, but if you're not verified on Rabble, it's damn near impossible to search for somebody that's not verified on Rabble.
Why is that?
I have no idea. I have no idea. So
All right.
let's search for you right now.
So I see my little logo here. I just did search NFTs.tips, and I put users. How about users? And there's Alexander Mazai, which is
And there
not
you go.
me. I'm verified?
Oh wow, when did you get verified?
Oh, I did this like 3 months ago. I don't know. I just set this stuff up thinking one day I might use it. I never used it, but we're
Oh
here now.
wow, dude. Cool beans.
But I see that my little logo here for the NFTs tips. I am a owner of this little dude. So I clicked on my username. Let's see if it shows NFTs tips. So this is a problem. This brought me to a page on sale. This is the right one.
Yes, that's the right one. What's the
Okay.
problem?
The problem was is there's no other activity in this account. I thought it was empty, but this is what's on sale. These are the ones. This is the one that's created. So I can go and look at their things here, but I want to make an offer here. So I want
So
to
you
buy this. How do
so
I
you
buy
can
it?
either click buy now, or you can either make a bid on it if you're not willing to pay what the seller is asking.
All right, so I honestly I don't have enough money in my wallet at this time to make the full transaction, so I'm gonna put a bid. And how do
Cool.
we know when is a good bid? What is this? WETH. Can I put this in? I don't have WTH.
You can put it in whatever you want to.
But I don't have WTH.
You can put the bid in whatever currency you want to.
But I don't have WTH. So
No, that's what I'm saying. If you got Rari, if you got Dow, if you got any of those currencies, those cryptocurrencies, you can bid using those cryptocurrencies. It doesn't have to be RAL.
wait, it says my balance is 0.26 ETH. Can I just put in the address and it will convert it for me?
Yes, so with Rabble, um they look at your ETH and your RAF ETH as the same thing. So if you have ETH, it's just like having RAF ETH.
So let's do $1. Let's do $5. I'll give $5, which is this number right here in ETH, right?
Okay.
So this is just an example. So we're gonna put in that amount of ETH, and I only want one.
Okay.
And how much is this? What is this? This creator is not verified.
It's letting you know that this person that you're about to buy from isn't a verified creator on the Rarible platform.
And that's because we didn't go through the whole process of getting the yellow cheddar mark. We just started this account, so we understand that, right?
Right.
So now, how much is it going to pay in fees? Anything?
We're about to see that now.
So I'm going to hit continue. And I got to pay again 3 times?
You gotta pay to place a bid. That's correct.
What the? So I got to pay the $5 plus the $9 in gas fees to make this transaction possible.
That's correct.
So let's hit reject. That's not going to happen tonight. All right, hold on. So let's close this out. I'm going to try again. Bid. And now we're going to make it $1 because I'm going to get banged over the head with these gas fees.
Absolutely, absolutely. And so, when you asked me earlier in the clubhouse group today, like how much had I lost, I really didn't know how to answer that question because you said loss, and I don't really look at it as a loss. But if you ask me how much I've spent on gas fees, because I am a major collector, just from collecting on Rabble, I've spent thousands in gas fees.
Thousands. That's insane. All right, so hit confirm. It's only going to cost
Yep,
me $5.54 to do this.
that's correct.
Now, this is not buying it. This is just putting a bid in. It's going to
Yeah,
cost me
this is just putting
$5.
the bid.
So whatever your bid is, plus the gas fee. So if I put $50 plus the gas fee, I'm going to have to pay that price. All right, confirm. Do I have to pay another 2 gas fees to make this transaction possible?
You may have to pay one more. I don't think so though. You're gonna have to sign one more time. Your MetaMask wallet should pop up and ask you to sign.
This is where the anxiety kicks in.
Yeah, I
Watching this
agree.
little thing spinning around, and you're like, all right, cool. Because what happens with me is I get so excited. I'm like, oh, I'm getting a deal. And it's just the first process that I paid $20 for, $5 for, and then it's the $80 transaction fee, and you're already into the deal, and you can't
Yeah.
back out because you already paid the first fee, and you're
Yep.
like, bah. All right. So if you want to learn how to do this, this is a whole process. We're trying to walk you in one piece at a time so you can learn how to do this. If you wanted to make the transaction, you'd still have to pay the original price tag plus this gas fee to actually buy it, correct?
Correct.
All right. Just making sure. Now I'm getting nervous that it hasn't done anything. Did it take my money? Should I go and click and see if the little MetaMask transaction went through? I don't understand why we have to sit here and wait. It's saying it's connected. It's saying your current account is not connected. So connect.
Hmm.
So we have to do this again?
Yes, he wasn't connected. I don't think.
Alright, so we're going to hit that. That's the dollar. I understand. Yes, yes, yes. Alright, let's start. Now they're going to ask me for a new gas fee. Now here's the benefit. We're doing this on a Saturday night at 9 o'clock at night. The gas fees are lower on the weekends, right?
Correct. And
So,
if any of you guys need a good tool to track gas prices, I gave it out in the group today on the Clubhouse. I give it to you again. The name of the website is gas.metasync.app. That's gas.metasync.app. And it's a gas tracker for RARIBLE as well as Foundation.
alright, so this is pretty cool. So what am I looking at? How do I read this?
So it's telling you how much it costs to mint on RARIBLE right now. It's telling you how much it costs to accept a bid. It's telling you how much it costs to approve a bid. It's telling you how much it costs to transfer, burn, make a bid. So if you see where it says make a bid, that's why you just got charged $5.
Okay, perfect. Welcome to the big leagues, guys.
Welcome to the big league.
Alright, so I got the confirmation saying that this bad boy went through, but it's still saying it's spinning. Should I hit the refresh button? Like, this is what I don't know what to do. So,
Yeah,
oh,
so
oh,
hit
oh,
the-
look,
there you
look.
go.
There it goes. It says start. So it just shows you right here that the deposit went through, whatever that means. I don't know. Alright, so let's hit start. Now it's going to charge me again.
I hope not, but it may. It may.
Another
Yep, another
transaction
four
fee. So,
dollars and 63 cents.
so now we're up to $10
Yep,
to buy something for $1 because I just wanted to be cheap.
yep,
Alright, now hit start.
yep.
I gotta get paid again.
No,
Alright.
this time you're just gonna sign, and it should go through.
Now, if I decide that I didn't want to finish the transaction after the first transaction, I lose that first $5.
Absolutely.
Oh, man. This is tough, man. Alright, so now I just made a bid. I did not buy it. I just made one bid. I am the highest bidder right now for one edition at $1. So now we're going to go into this account over here, which is the other account. Now, how do I know when I get it? What is this little red thing? Is this a thing I should...
That's a notification to let you know that you just got your first bid.
Ooh. What do I do?
So you see at the bottom where it says
Wait,
accept?
these people are putting bids on other people's work? They're,
Yeah.
they're trying to buy the work inside our vault?
Yes.
What? Okay,
Yes.
okay, so now I want to accept this bid so we can
Yep.
transfer it to Alexander Mazai. So we're going to hit accept,
Correct.
or I hit it here. Which one? It doesn't
You
matter?
can hit it either way. So you can hit it either
Okay,
way. Yeah.
so now I'm going to hit accept bid, and it's now going to tell me, what is this? It's not active anymore. Buyer didn't have enough funds. What?
You didn't have enough funds?
That's not
Oh,
true.
I was about to say that's not true. So
Okay.
this is the crazy thing. So now it's costing you $45 to accept that bid.
Of $1.
Yep.
So now I want to cry. Do I even hit this button to show you guys how to learn how to do this? And it's costing me to do this tutorial. It's costing me over $100 to teach you how to do
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
All right, you know what? We're gonna hit confirm just to show you guys that I'm a sport. And now it says pending. I'm not even getting a full dollar. I'm getting negative 0 cents in USD. All right, what is it doing? It's saying it expired, dude.
Let's see. Click on the red button on your notification button. Let's see what it says. Oops, something went wrong.
Oh my god. So I just spent $50 plus another $20 to teach you how to do this, and it didn't go through. And now it just sucked all that money out of my wallet.
Let's see. Is it connected? Is your wallet connected?
Yeah.
Okay. Let's see transaction activity.
Alright, so let's go back to this account. It says I have a new message.
Your bid was accepted.
So my bid was accepted.
So
It says zero wealth expired. So now what? I'm so confused right now.
no. So now you go to my items. Click on my items, and you should have your NFT in your items. And there you go.
Why does it have a whole stack of them? How many did I buy?
You bought one of 10,000.
Okay. So did I do it right? I'm so
Yes,
confused.
you absolutely did it right.
All right. So what do I do? I want to just refresh the screen without seeing all this nonsense. Let's just hit the refresh button. Is it going to charge me money? No, I don't want to get charged more money. Can you imagine how much money that the internet would have made if they paid for every click that you had to make a decision?
Yeah, yeah, I know. It's crazy. But here's the kicker. Now you're gonna be pissed at me, but it's a science to the madness. So what I learned today by just tinkering around on the different platforms, as I told you, OpenSea and Rarible are both interchangeable. So we could have actually minted this piece on OpenSea and only paid to mint it one time and then list it for sale on Rarible.
So
And
what does that mean?
we could have saved you could have saved all the money you just spent to sign it, to approve it, to accept the bid. Only thing you had to do was mint it on OpenSea, pay one minting fee, and then place it for sale on Rarible.
So do we want to walk people through that process? How about we do this? Before we do that, I want to say thank you to you, and I want to send you one as a thank you. So how
Oh
do...
man, you're welcome. No problem.
No, but this is part of the learning curve. Okay, so I have this really cool piece of art. How do I send it to you? I don't even know
Okay.
how to do that.
Okay, cool beans. So if you would like to transfer this to me, you can click on the three little buttons beside the heart,
Okay.
scroll down to transfer token.
I don't see trans. Oh, here it is. And now I want to give you one. How do I find your address?
You have to now. I have to.
Hold on. No. We're not going to do it that way because I don't have the ability to accept incoming messages. Are you on Try Showtime?
No, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna drop it in your IG.
No, but I want to show people how to find people's addresses. Are you on Try
Oh
Showtime?
no, I'm on Rarible because you're gonna send it to my Rarible address.
It's not the same?
No.
Alright, so let's do this. So he could either send it to me in a text format and I can copy and paste it, or you could do it like this. And I think this is more fun. So how do I search for you?
So search for Pips LLC.
IPS is all cap too?
Uh-huh.
LLC?
LLC. Mm-hmm.
Alright, let's see. Hit enter. Alright, so now we're going to find you. How do we do that? Go to users.
That's my Pip coin token right there.
This guy?
Yep.
Oh,
That's
that
me.
little green house is you.
Yep. And that's my Pip coin token. That's my first NFT that I ever minted.
So people, if they want to buy it, they come in here and they do that whole thing.
Yep.
So what does this mean? Follow. I can follow you?
Yep. Go ahead and kiss that follow button with your finger.
So every time you follow somebody, you have to pay money?
No, you have to sign for it.
Oh, okay. Sign?
Yep.
Okay. So these are your arts? Like you made
Yes.
these?
Yeah, no, these are my collections. So I am a collector. I am a major collector. So this is my collection portfolio. So,
Awesome. Okay. So now we're going to go and I find your little link right here. This is
that's
his
my
public
address.
address.
Yep.
So
Yep.
that's how I'm going to send this guy. Where am I going now? Right, this one?
You go back to your Rarible. Yep.
And I'm going to hit Command V. And is that your address? Can you recognize it?
Correct. I confirmed that.
Alright, so now he's going to accept. Now I got to pay money for this too, right?
Yep.
Is this going to be another $500?
No, only 4. 5.
Okay, so hit confirm. Is that the only thing that happens?
Yes.
So now we can go back to your page. Do you have to accept it?
Yep. Let me see.
You have to accept it?
No, it should already just be on my page.
Alright, so let's hit this. I'm going to hit refresh. It has a little refresh button here.
Yep, I already have it.
You already have it. Let's see.
Yeah. It still says transferring on my end, but it's I can already see it on my page.
Can I see it?
You should be able to.
It says wait. That's all I get all day long. The blue circle of death. Here it goes. What do we got? So I don't see it. So do I have to go to... Where do I go? Collectibles?
Yeah, go to collectibles.
Bam!
There we go. You see how it says still transferring?
Yeah. Oh, that's
Yeah.
cool. Awesome. So that wasn't too hard or scary.
No.
All right. So what's next?
You tell me, what do you want to show the people next?
I want to see. You said you had a shortcut to save us money. I don't even have enough money to do anything. Let me see. They just sucked almost $100 out of my wallet. Let's see. I'm gonna test to see how much I got left. I got $79.50. All right. So let's go. You said the next one is OpenSea, right?
OpenSea.
See. Now I'm gonna hit buy OpenSea. Okay. So what are we doing here? What do we got?
All right. So now we're starting from scratch, right? So, okay. We're going to click on the little man in the top right hand corner.
The little man.
Yeah, the little man the little man icon.
Where are you
Oh
looking?
no. Oh no. So you see what I mean? You're already connected. So
Well,
look, now this
I
is what you do. Click on my profile.
I think I already connected my wallet to this one, so I have an account here. Cause
This is what I want to show you. This is the same Rarible account that you just created, the NFT in, the same wallet,
yeah.
right?
Uh-huh.
So now that NFT is automatically listed on OpenSea, as you'll see when everything pops up.
So I got we gave one away and I bought one, or I did the bid. So there's that many left.
So you see?
Okay. So what's the point?
So now, like, what I'm saying is people can purchase that same NFT that you minted on Rarible, they can purchase it on OpenSea.
Okay.
But now what I wanted to show you is that you know the process that we went through on Rarible, where you had to pay to mint it, you had to pay to put it up for sale, you had to pay to accept the bid. On OpenSea, all you have to do is pay one minting fee, just one minting fee,
Okay.
and
So
then
show me how to do that.
okay. So now let's create. Go to
Go to
create.
this one.
Correct.
Now what?
Click on create new collection.
This one.
Yes.
So now it's saying a logo. So what's my
Yeah.
logo? Whatever I have is like my profile picture.
Yes.
We're gonna use this GIF or the JPEG. Let's try the JPEG.
Let's try the JPEG. Yeah.
Okay, that worked really easy. Name. Now this is the name of the collection, not your name, not the name of the NFT you want to create. This is a collection, and this is what it gets really confusing because they don't really explain this proper. So we're going to create this as NFTs. Can I have a period in it?
Yes. I think so.
Tips
Yeah.
Foundation. Is that how you spell it? How you spell foundation?
That's FOU.
That's what I had.
Yeah.
Foundation.
Yeah.
That's already taken. What does that mean?
Somebody already got that name.
What?
Yeah.
So is this cross-platform?
Yes.
Oh man. How about NFTs.tips? That's valid.
That's good.
Alright, so that's the collection. The
Yeah.
description. Remember that copy and paste?
Let's paste that that mission statement in there, bro.
Command V. Alright, so you have 1,000 characters. You can put all kinds of stuff in here, but we're happy with that, right?
Yes.
Alright, so next we're gonna add items. So what do we do now?
Now we add new items. So now you can add whatever you want, whatever NFTs or artwork or pieces you want to add to your collection, you can add them here.
So we're going to add an item. I gotta pay money to do that too?
No.
What is this? I gotta sign it?
Yes, it's just asking you to sign.
Shoo.
Yeah, so you gotta verify every transaction with these guys. They want to verify that it's you.
Alright, it's me. I'm here. I haven't moved. I've been sitting behind the computer for the last 3 hours.
I know it's like real fun.
Alright, so we're going to, what is this? I don't know what that is. Let's create a new token, because I don't have one for what we need here. So let's go back to here. So this cool little token, right?
Yeah, that's about the best one.
So we're filling up the piggy bank with all the different ones that you're learning how to do from us.
Isn't that cool?
I think so. This is how my brain works. Fill your piggy bank up with knowledge, and then eventually you're gonna break it up, and you're gonna have abundance.
Oh man, I love that. Love that analogy.
Yeah, because what's the first thing you remember as a kid? You remember
Piggy bank.
piggy banks, and what are you learning? How to save for your future.
Yep.
So how is this not the same thing?
Cool. Yeah, that's definitely cool, bro.
And I'm not trying to be an artist right now. I'm just trying to get you guys onboarded and get into this space and really feel like you're a part of something bigger than yourself. So that's why we're doing our best. OpenSea. How's that?
Yeah, I like that.
So it's a little too big, so
Can you
I'm gonna.
move that? Can you move that OpenSea coin that's falling into the piggy bank just a little to the right? It's gonna kill me, dude. Just a little bit to the right.
How much? Left. This way?
Yeah, there we go. That's perfect. Yeah.
And this is good? You like this?
Yes, that's
Alright,
cool.
so we're going to save this as a JPEG. Right?
Yep.
I can get rid of this now. And we don't need this here anymore. We don't need that. We're in collection manager, right?
Correct.
So now what?
So now we click on browse media to add it.
And I want to add the one that we just made, the JPEG, right?
Correct.
Okay. Looks good.
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Okay. And I'm going to put I minted my first OpenSea NFT with NFTs.tips. Right?
Nice.
Now what is this? External link. Do I bring them to the website?
Yes. So that way people can click on that and learn more about your work.
NFTs.tips. Now there's an extra H here. Let's get rid of that. Make sure you spell everything proper, because you're going to get yourself in lots of trouble. We're going to copy and paste this statement again after writing. We're going to write first real quick. Purchasing this NFT is a way to say thank you to the team at NFTs.tips Foundation. Right?
Yes. Nice.
All right, we just add that little extra piece in there, and let's go. What's next? Now, okay, I got a problem already.
Okay.
When I did this with Glassy,
Okay.
we had a special URL that bypassed something on this to allow us to mint multiple editions all at the same time. The supply is locked, so I can't unlock this without that special URL. Do you remember the URL?
No, I do not. I do not.
All right, I'm afraid to even click on this stuff. And now I got to rewrite all this stuff all over again. So I'm going to copy this into a notepad because this
Please do.
stuff just takes too long.
But I think if we only mint one, then it will be no gas fee.
Yeah, but this is the first time I'm doing a mint, so it's going to be a lazy minting charge. Here it is. Ah, see, look. They do have it here. It's right here. By adding enable supply equals true. See, I told you it was a question mark. See, you didn't even know about this. I'm teaching you.
No, I didn't know about that. You're correct. I didn't know about that. And that's great because I needed to know that.
All right, so now you're going to put this here, and you're going to hit Command V. And this is why reading is important. So now watch this. You see how this is locked? Now if I scroll down, it's available for entry.
Got you. Nice. Good job, Alex.
Yeah, I don't forget anything. I just don't always remember what I'm doing. Alright, so we're going to go back here. We have to reload and reinstall all this information. We're going to go back to here, open my first NFT with OpenSea, and see how important it is to write these. It's going to open it up again. Now, cancel. How to write these things in a notepad, how much time you save.
Yes. I've been doing that with my business. I save everything in my notes on my iPhone, and then like all of my meetings, all of my catchphrases, everything. I just copy and paste it in my notepad, and whenever I need to use them, I go get them.
All right, so properties, what does that mean?
That's asking you who's the owner of the properties.
I laugh at people who say that this is supposed to take 15 minutes.
Oh no way. Not even on a good day.
All right, so we got our description. Oh, I can put my external link.
Yep.
https://nfts.tips. Okay, deep breath. Let's go. What's next?
Let's go.
Properties. Do I need this stuff or can I skip it? What do we need to do? I don't understand what I need to do. Hit a plus sign?
It says textual traits that show up as rectangles. So I guess it's like you wanted to add like some. I didn't do it with my NFT, but if you wanted to add like some text to your work or something.
I don't know what that means. I'm gonna hit skip. Do we need unlockable content? What is that?
Unlockable content is like so like with my NFT, people can actually click on the unlockable content to like go to another web page you might upload, or like you can basically add websites, pictures, whatever you want to add to your unlockable content you can put in there for a better user experience for the collector or the purchaser of your work.
So we're
So
not
like,
going to do this now, but there's also something called the what is it? Intergalactic Planetary Storage System or something?
yeah,
So you could put that link in here. We're not going to do it now, but if you wanted to do on a decentralized server, you would upload that with a web server similar to Pinata, and you would put that link in here. But we're going to create a separate video for that because that takes a little bit of time, right? So we're going to hit create.
let's hit create. Yes.
Alright, so now the difference between Rarible and all these other minting platforms, when you go on OpenSea, you have something called lazy minting, which means you mint once, and once that collection is minted, everything in that collection after that is basically pre-made, and then the buyer's paying for the minting of that NFT, not the creator.
Correct.
But that also increases the prices for the collectors, so it's also, something you'd be aware of. So now what do? I created a new item. I minted it here. What do I do next? I don't understand. It's saying visit. Visit what and sell what? I want to sell it, but I don't understand what I need to do.
So it's asking you, do you want to visit your new piece you just created, or do you want to sell it?
So what should we do?
Let's visit it.
I like to visit things. It's like visiting grandma.
Yeah. Hey, Granny.
Alright, so here we go. And
I minted my first OpenSea NFT with NFT tips.
So I own 10,000 of them, but they're not for sale.
No, they're not for sale. So now you can sell them.
So I have to sell one at a time.
You can sell one at a time, or you can scroll down so I can see.
I hit the button.
Set price or bundle.
Okay, we don't want to send a bundle. I don't want to send all of them. They're not going to buy every single piece. They're going to set one fixed price, right? So how many do I want to sell? I want to sell one at a time. And the price per item will be on sale until you transfer this item. So I want to put, what is this? I want to put it in ETH, right?
Mm-hmm.
And I want to sell it for, okay, so let's go over this real quick. I just saw this, USDC. So this is it's considered a stable coin. So if you wanted to actually put it for a specific price and you don't want it to fluctuate, you would put it in this, I believe, yes?
Correct.
All right, just making sure. So we're going to keep it in ETH. And then we're going to go back to this little handy dandy calculator. And we're going to say I want to put it for $100. And I'm going to put it right here, 4.45. So where do I go now? Back to here.
Go back to OpenSea.
And I'm going to put in an amount, and it's in ETH.
Correct.
Which is a little confusing for people who don't understand, but that's what it's in. And now what? Schedule for the future? No. Privacy? You can keep your listings public, or you can one address that allows you to buy it. Now, I don't understand. What's instructions? What is this instructions on what I want to do for this thing, or is this instructions on what they need to do? Looks like selling a crypto collectible. You need to complete 2 free plus gas transactions. Alright. I don't know what that means.
So let's go back up to post your listing.
So I'm going to hit yes.
Yes.
Now I got to pay money to do this, yes?
For the first time, yes.
Alright. Initializing your first account. Alright, so it's going to cost me $40.54 to make this transaction. To allow OpenSea to sell items in your account, you must first complete a free plus gas transaction. So how is it free if it's costing me $40.54?
It's not.
All right, it's saying free plus gas. So it's not costing me anything to mint it, but I'm just paying this
You're just paying this
gas fee.
crazy, expensive, ridiculous high gas fee.
So hit confirm.
Yes.
All right, I hit the button. All right, so I'm waiting now. And these prices are actually pretty good compared to if you were doing this on a Tuesday at 4 p.m.
Absolutely.
So I know you're laughing, but for real, how much does it cost to do it during the week in prime time?
Like anywhere from 80 to $180.
And explain to us why that is.
Well, Alex, to tell the truth, I guess it's because it's just during like peak times of the day where most people are doing the most transactions on these platforms.
That's exactly right. So think of it like a giant highway, and what you're experiencing is traffic. The lanes are only able to hold so many cars at so many transactions per minute. And when those tractions have an easy pass, fail to initialize your account. Please restart your browser wallet and try again.
Hmm.
So did they take
Yeah.
my money?
No, they better not have.
We had something like $70 left.
That's
Hopefully,
right.
come on, man. I feel like I'm like, spare change, please. Spare change.
Yeah.
This is why these tokens cost $100 for sale. Look, I got 33 bucks left. Alright, so I don't know if they took my money or not. I should have had a handy dandy notebook and been taking my notes. There is a ledger. Maybe you could show us next how to read the ether scan, because that's a whole nother talent.
Yeah, that's a whole nother monster right there.
Alright, so we gotta do this all again. Set price. I'm going to put it here for, I had it in my thing, hopefully it's still there, 45.045. Okay, set my listing. We're not looking at anything else. What's the boundaries? Bounties? What's that?
OpenSea reward 1% to registered affiliates who refer your buyer.
So I'm gonna hit edit. What does that mean? I'm gonna give them all the way up. How about 2.5% referral
Ah,
bounty?
yes, sir. I like that.
So what does that mean? That means that if somebody's, no, I want them to get all of it, because that's a cool thing to have. So now,
Absolutely.
if somebody wants to promote my work, I'm giving them incentives to do so.
Absolutely.
All right, so now they're gonna ask me to pay more money.
Wait, did they take the first $40?
I don't know. We're gonna hit sign. This is why you have to pay attention, and you shouldn't be trying to rush through this and try to figure it out. And if you do get frustrated, take a break, because it's not worth getting a headache over.
No, it's not.
It's like drinking from a fire hose. So we have one listed right here, and that's what we got. So now I want to sell another one. So I got to come in here. I put 10,000 as how many I minted, and in order for me to sell 10,000, I need to do it one at a time. How much fun is that?
Yeah.
So the first time I did this, and I don't feel like I have the energy to do that. Do we have to do this again every time? Yep.
Yeah.
So the first time I did this, I created something called a bonding curve, and every 10, I increased it by a half a ETH. Not a half a ETH, a 0.05 ETH. So we're at 0.045, then I went 0.05, 0.055, like that, and created my bonding curve.
Pretty cool.
Yeah, so that's just to get the early adopters in, and they're able to now have fun by buying early, and then as it gets sold, the cost goes up and up. So we just created 2. Let's stop there. If you want to keep going, we're going to just keep minting them here. That's how you sell them. What's next? You said now we wanted to bring this over to Rarible.
Okay, cool. So let's go back to your Rarible account and let's see if these NFTs that you just minted on OpenSea shows up in your Rarible account.
How do I do that?
Okay, let's go
With this
back
little
to
R?
let's go back to my items.
Okay.
First, refresh your screen.
I hit the little R, so it's going to bring me back to that page.
Okay, and then let's go to my items.
I don't see it. So what is this? One created, one on sale. Yeah. It's not here. Created.
Okay. Now, let's refresh.
Like this or like this?
Browser.
I don't even know if you can imagine trying to walk people through this on a screen share on Discord.
Yes, I've been trying to walk 300 people through it.
I still don't see it here. What do we do? Collectibles?
Yeah, let's go to collectibles.
I think this is going to be cool with the little coins. Each platform that comes out, we mint it on there.
Right. Yeah, it's going to be real cool.
And then people could buy it as a thank you for each time they do it.
Yeah, that'll be dope. So let's go back to, it should be showing up in here. Let's go back to OpenSea.
That's not the right one. It's this one. Nope, this is exit. What is it? Collectibles are now multiplayer. I closed it. Alright, so what do we do?
Okay, so let's go to transfer.
Where is that? 3 little dots?
Go to your left 3 times. Go to the little GIF icon. Yeah.
This one? Or the GIF?
Yeah, the GIF icon.
Okay. Now am I gifting one of them that's for sale or?
Yeah.
Oh shit! So if you didn't read, you would have transferred all of them to this address.
That's right.
You want to read one. So what address am I sending it to?
Your Rarible address.
And that's different?
No, it shouldn't be different. It's kind of weird. It's your same wallet address, but it's just kind of weird like that, dude. So like you copy that address, yeah. Which should be the same address. If you're logged into the same wallet, it should be the same address.
All right, so here's the same address. I have an ETH, so I could put NFTs.tips.ETH, and that's going to show up as that same address. So let's see if that works, right?
Yep.
So I'm going to transfer it. Do I have to pay for this too?
Nope.
No?
No, you don't.
So if you mint it on OpenSea, why would you want to do this on any other platform if you could transfer everything for free?
Dude, I just learned that today. I just learned it. And I've spent thousands minting and collecting on Rarible. Thousands.
Have you made your money back?
Yes. With my with my pip coin, well, with my NFT, it's really like a accessibility tool for the members of my platform. So I have over 300 members that I educate every day on Forex. And so those members are now accessing my platform through my NFT. So they purchase my NFT, and that NFT gives them access to my entire platform and my entire network. And my NFT is 0.45 0.475 Ethereum. So like almost a half of Ethereum. So but I have to do this exact same thing that me and you are doing now with all 300 members of my platform. And they're like, none of them are like tech savvy. They don't understand none of this stuff. So far I've got 5 members set up. That's why if you look at my activity with my NFT, with my Pipcoin social token, you'll see that I've sold 5. And now I'm working on the other 295 members.
So can you share this video with them? Because we're gonna make this a video.
Absolutely. Absolutely. This video is going to help me so much.
I appreciate it, man.
Yeah, I appreciate you too, Alex.
I don't know what it's doing. Should we hit refresh? I just hate waiting. Like it's.
Yeah, me too. It's nerve wracking. I know. I know.
Should I do it? What do I do? I don't know if they took my
let's,
money.
let's give it like 10 more seconds.
All right, let's see if it's connected to the wallet, because that might be the problem.
That may be it.
Oh God, so awesome, so much fun. All this because they saw a Saturday Night Live thing about NFTs.
Yeah, right.
Why? Why is it so not working?
I don't know, man. Maybe because gas fee. Maybe this is the take and giveaway for gas fees being so low right now.
What is this? We noticed the current website tried to remove window API. Click here for more information. Hit dismiss.
Dismiss, yeah.
It still says connected here. So maybe while we're waiting for this, I want to show people how to use this Etherscan, and this thing went out again. Hold on.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're going to hit this button. This is a transactional fee. Let's go to one that has money in it. Here's one for $178. So what does that mean? So we can hit this little arrow button to bring you to the Etherscan website. So this is Etherscan. This is a way to look at the records as it goes. So this is the transaction hash, transaction that happened, which is its identity, like a serial number to the transaction. It's showing you what was successful. If it failed, it would show you failed. Shows you block confirmation, so how many different blocks in the network approved it. The timestamp, so this happened 15 days ago, 10 hours, on this specific day at this time. And then it went from this address to my address. So we could take this address and find out who this person is by clicking on it and seeing other transactions that that wallet did. And that wallet transferred $178.41 to this wallet address, and it cost them $6.50 in transaction fees. And the Ethereum price is this the price of that day or what it is now?
That's the price of what it is now.
Alright, so let's see who this person is. It might be me because I don't really know my own addresses like that, but so I don't know. How do you identify when somebody did something? So what? I don't even know what I'm looking at here now.
So basically, we're looking at the transaction. So we're looking at all the transactions on the Ether network.
So why is this coming up when I clicked on that wallet address?
Because these are all your whoever wallet address this is all the transactions for that wallet address.
Wow. Okay, so this is like expert level stuff. We'll come back to that. I just wanted to show people what it looks like to have an idea of how that works. Let's close that. And we're still at this screen, still loading. So
Refresh.
I'm gonna hit close. I don't even know what we're closing because I don't remember, it was so long ago. We were transferring something. So let's hit the refresh button all over again and start all over again. And I can understand now why people get frustrated trying to do stuff, and they're trying to send people things and do stuff, and it's just, it takes a lot of patience.
Absolutely.
Wait, somebody bought one?
What happened?
There's only 2 left.
You transferred one.
Where?
So you transferred it to your RARIBLE.
Where do I do that? Here?
So go back to RARIBLE, yes.
And now hit refresh.
Now hit refresh. Bring your screen back up.
Technology.
Isn't it the best?
Yeah. So how'd you get started in Forex?
My brother's classmate, she started, and I was already doing day trading, and she introduced me to Forex. I knew a little bit about it, but never really dove into it. So when she introduced it to me, I started taking it a little bit more serious, and I spent the first 3 years losing all my money. I even retired from my career once and had to go back to work because I lost all my money in the market. So I went back to work. I regrouped. I came back, started trading in a demo account for a year under the mentorship of Michael Huddleston, one of the best traders that ever walked the face of the earth. And I mentored and demo traded under him for a year. That gave me 4 years. In the last 2 years of my trading career, I've been so successful that I've built multiple 7-figure trade accounts.
7 figures is $1 million?
Yes.
Wow. Congratulations, dude.
Thanks, bro. And that's what I do through my platform. I educate how to be a successful Forex trader. And I tell people it's not a get rich overnight game. It's definitely a compound interest game.
How about this? I started at the top, now I'm here.
That's right.
Alright, so it didn't show up in that wallet, so let's try it again. I don't know what's going on, guys. So we're going to maybe somebody bought one? I don't know. It still says 10,000 were owned.
What was the address that you just transferred it to, the NFT.tips? What wallet is that for you?
The same wallet.
The same wallet on RARIBLE?
Yes, sir. I'm still signed into the same wallet, so we're gonna move over one because I don't want to do this the wrong way.
So let's just try this to be on the safe side. Let's go back to RARIBLE and copy the RARIBLE address itself from RARIBLE.
Alright, we're gonna do that just because you asked nicely.
Thanks.
And that's this one right here.
Yes.
Copy. Alright, now we're gonna go here and it says 7A71. So Command V. We're here. I'm gonna hit transfer. One. Not all of them. One.
Just one.
All right. Transfer assets. Follow your wallet instructions to submit a transaction to transfer assets. Yes.
Yes. Yes.
Did we get this far last time?
No, we didn't. So
All right,
that leads me to think that your wallet wasn't connected.
I think we did. It said sign, remember? I asked if it was going to take my... Oh, shit. It's taking my money.
Yep.
So hit this?
Yep.
Alright, what are we doing now? So now it has to process. Now I'm sending it to myself, and now it cost me $10 to do it.
Yep. So let's make note of that, because on Rarible the first time, so you had to pay, what was it, 60? Was it, you had to pay, how much did it cost to mint on Rarible? Wasn't it like $40? $50?
It cost more than 11.
Yeah, a lot more.
Good thing we were recording this video so we can go back and test. Alright, so now we're gonna see what's next. How do I go back? To hit refresh?
Yeah, hit refresh. And then we're gonna go to collectibles. My items, collectibles.
Alright, so it says on sale. It's still not there. This is still 48. It says I created 2 now, so maybe it's under created.
Yeah.
And now I have to sell it. No, it's still not here. Alright, I don't know what to do, dude.
Go to collectibles.
Collectibles?
Uh-huh.
This is Rarible. That's not it.
Let's say OpenSea does it.
Nope.
Maybe we're still waiting. Let's give it some time, because we know these platforms, they're moving real slow. Because it had to transfer somewhere, so and it couldn't have went anywhere but here, so maybe it's just taking a while to load up.
So much fun.
So much fun.
I'm trying to see if there's a way to see this thing.
We're getting some kind of action here.
Safe transfer from OpenSea. Today's date. Activity. No money, but it showed that it took my money. And it shows that I only got $26 left in my account.
Right.
So I'm teaching people how to do stuff, and it's costing
you dearly. But it's all good, because people are going to come. They're going to value the value that you're adding to their life, and they're going to donate to the platform. So it's all going to come back.
That's what I like to hear. All right, let's hit refresh, right? We're going to hit refresh now?
Yes. Let's hit refresh.
So if you guys want to get featured inside the, what is this called? The community chest, the NFTs.tips vault, you would do this process to send your NFT to the vault to get put into a display of all the people in the community.
So cool.
Did you send one of your Bitcoins to us?
Hey, look, I was just looking to search for your username so I can copy your address and send a pip coin over.
So try to send it in an NFTs.tips.eth and see if that works, because people were telling me that they were having a hard time doing that, and I just want to make sure I understand why it's not working, because I'm going to have a meeting with the ETH team to figure that out if it's not working. And it's still not here, so I just paid $12 to send myself something, and I still don't see it in this wallet.
Go to your wallet on your phone and go to your collectibles in your wallet and see is it showing up in your collectibles on your wallet on your mobile device.
Alright, good idea. So I'm on my mobile phone. I'm going to go to my address. That is this same one. And I have to make sure that I'm in the right Ethereum main network. I'm going to hit collectibles. I hit Rarible, and I have a whole list of things that are collectibles, and one of them is not there. It's not there.
It's not there.
Nope. So here,
Come on, OpenSea.
I don't know, dude. I just spent all this time and energy and effort to try to show you how easy it is. And now let's hit refresh. Let's see if this is even still here, because I had that transaction. It went through. Now we should still have, it's still saying we have 2 available.
So your money should be credited back to your account.
No, because then it would still have money in it.
It may take time for them to reverse it on the Etherscan.
I never heard of getting refunds. Nah, I'm still at $26.84. So, I don't know what to do.
And you're sure you're connected to the same wallet?
Yes, 100%. Look, 49A7.
Okay.
And I go to, is this the link to the page?
Yes. No. Click on your picture, your profile picture.
That's too late. I clicked on it and it brings me to the same place.
Okay, cool.
And it's showing that I have only one item here.
So view all. Click on view all.
Where do you see that? Here?
Yeah.
Now is this bringing me to the entire OpenSea?
No, it's bringing you to your...
Alright, so let's go just click on my little profile picture like you suggested and go back to my profile.
My profile.
See, 49A7. So we have the 10,000 here and the 9,098 there.
Correct. So that means that you have sold 2.
No, we gave one away to you.
Okay, we gave one away and then we
Sold one.
sold one. That was of the Rarible though. What about of the OpenSea one?
No, there's still 10,000 here.
Oh, okay. So which one did you just try to transfer to your Rarible?
This one, the OpenSea.
So you should have 9,999, not 10,000.
But it's in the same address. So you said we go here. Now I'm going to spend another $10 to prove a point. Transfer. I'm not doing all of them, just one.
Just one.
Delete. Command V. That's the address. Transfer.
Correct.
So I'm going to transfer this again. This went down again. So let me fix this. Alright, so it says transfer asset. Transfer.
Transfer. Correct.
Now it's going to ask me to sign with the wallet. and I have to pay money again, which is $10.68 or something it was last time. Now it's only $4. Why is it only $4 now when last time it was $10?
They probably realized that they gypped you last time and giving you a discount.
Nah, I don't think that's what it is.
No, that's not it. I have no idea.
My transfer is being processed. Whoop, you're transferred to the blockchain shortly. So it's saying processing. Here's the transaction hash. So now let's go to here. It says sorry, it doesn't exist.
Go back to OpenSea. Processing. Click on your click on your MetaMask wallet. Make sure you're on the right chain.
It wouldn't have let me do the transaction if I wasn't in the right chain.
Yeah, that's right.
It says
Ethereum
pending.
mainnet.
It says pending.
Okay, cool. So are you aware that OpenSea has a Matic network as well?
I'm not going to do that right now, but I have Polygon Matic, I have XDAI, I have the Binance Smart Chain, and that's it.
Okay, cool beans.
Yeah. That's an advanced tutorial. We're not going to go and try to confuse people even more.
Got you. That's cool.
Yeah. This is like going to a whole new schooling.
Yeah, it is. It's like we gotta write a whole new curriculum. This causes people to make a lot of mistakes as well because they get frustrated, they hit refresh or they hit cancel, and it's like the same thing that we've been seeing with you just on this call. It's like they're taking your money. Once you hit cancel or refresh, if it doesn't go through, it's like, oh well, that's on you. You shouldn't have pressed cancel or you shouldn't have pressed refresh, and they're still taking the money. It's crazy. So now that says complete.
Alright, so now what do? It doesn't. It says still pending processing. So don't worry about that. Close this.
No.
Oh, I did it.
You did it?
I hit the button. Alright, so let's see if it goes here now.
But it said it said complete on the browser. I mean, not on the browser, but on the wallet. So it should be good.
So now what? It still doesn't show up.
No, it's still not there.
So I just spent how much money? It still doesn't work.
So let's do this. Let's disconnect this RARIBLE wallet. So click on your profile picture.
What do you mean disconnect it?
Disconnect it and reconnect it. Like log out and log back in. I've noticed that to happen sometimes. When you log out and log back in, then your new items will pop up in your wallet.
What's what does it say? Intrinsic gas too low. What does that mean?
Intrinsic gas too low. I don't know. Bring your screen back up.
No, I'm looking at my phone. I'm trying to send something and it won't go through. So much fun. Alright, so we're going to disconnect from our MetaMask or from RARIBLE?
From RARIBLE.
I'm down to $24.12.
Crazy.
Disconnect.
And you started with what? $150?
$175.
Mm-mm-mm. Yep. Sounds about right.
I'm gonna be panhandling at the end of the show. Be on the corner. Spare change. I need some Ethereum. Ethereum. Spare change. Still not here. So your whole idea, it's not looking too easy.
It's not looking too easy.
What do I do now?
So let's go back to OpenSea because I don't know why you're sending things to your Rarible address and it's not showing up on your collectibles. I don't understand that. So let's go back to OpenSea, and let's see what the issue is with that because from my experience. So this is the very first one you ever created that day. You remember a while back when you
Right.
created?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I was one of the people who bought it.
Nice.
So I actually own the first one you created that day when everybody was stealing them before you could buy it.
Yeah, I remember.
Yeah, so I bought that.
They
This
weren't
is the one.
stealing it. They were buying it before I could actually transfer it out.
Well, yeah, I'm sorry. They wasn't stealing it. They was just rushing in and buying it before you could actually purchase one yourself.
I got so mad.
Um, yeah. And so this is the one that you just minted. Me and you minted together on Rarible and that you transferred to me, to my Rarible. But as you can see, it appears on my OpenSea as well.
Oh, so now what? Why does it say 0.00004? That's because I gave it to myself for $1, or I bought it for $1 in a bid.
Yes, that's the last transaction for this.
So that's gonna suck when people see that. They're gonna go, "Oh, I'm not gonna want to pay a whole dollar, $100 for it when somebody bought it for $1."
Exactly. Take note of that. That's why if you see everything on my page, like it has like it costs a little bit. It's except for like some of the first pieces that I started buying because I was just getting my feet wet on these platforms and I was just basically just buying anything. But yeah, so what I was basically trying to show you is that you can mint on NFT. I mean, you can mint on OpenSea, transfer it, and list it on Rarible without having to endure all of the transaction fees that we had to endure when minting this piece on Rarible.
But it still
But
didn't
for
work.
some reason, OpenSea doesn't want to cooperate with us tonight, and I really don't like that.
So go to my OpenSea account through that profile.
Okay, so what is NFT tips, right?
It's so here's the issue. Remember that day, the I had to change and transfer all my stuff over to another wallet. That means that my OpenSea is no longer able to be connected. So I have to make a second one, NFTs.tips. Oh, hey, how you doing?
So what is your name again?
NFTs.tips dash. It's NFTs dash TIPS.
There we go.
Yeah, the black one. So you got the OpenSea. Is the Rarible showing up on that one?
Nope, just the OpenSea.
So why is that?
There you go. There it goes. So there's the Rarible one. And here's the OpenSea one.
So now go to my Rarible account and see if you can see that now.
Okay. New items available. Who? I have new items available? Oh yeah, I been knew that. I been got that one. Rabber, you're late. Okay, so let's.
That's not the one you want though.
Oh no, that's not. So what is it again?
I think it's NFTs space tips or one word. I don't know. Hit the drippies and then we'll go from the drippies to my page. That's our dude Florian. Those are pretty cool, right?
Yeah, it did. Here we go. Let me follow back. I got the sign. Okay, cool. Now let's click on your collectibles. Nope, it's not there. And that's weird. That's very weird. That's crazy. Let's see. Look at this. Isn't this interesting? Let's look at your activity here. What do we see here? 26 minutes ago, I minted my first OpenSea NFT with NFTs.tips. Huh.
But why is it not showing up?
Exactly.
Click on it. Where does it go?
It's here. Did you send it to the other one? Hold on. Who's the owner? Let's see who's the owner. That'll solve everything.
It's the same address on both accounts, so it's going to be my address.
It's still processing, bro. That's why we can't see who the owners are. We can see the history. We can see the, okay, here we go. Creator, NFT tips. Collect your storefront. OpenSea shared storefront. What is this? Is this where you sent it at? OpenSea shared. I'm not getting this. Can't see. I think it's still processing, bro. Processing because we can see the history. We can see that you transferred one edition 28 minutes ago, and then you transferred that other edition 15 minutes ago. So both of them went through. Now we're probably just waiting for it to clear on the blockchain, Alex.
Alright, so let's just, what else do we want to do? So we accomplished what today? What did we actually accomplish? Let's do a recap.
Okay. Let me stop sharing my screen so we can do a recap.
Okay. Alright, so we started at Rarible. You taught us how to sign up for Rarible. We got a MetaMask. We were able to put a profile together. We verified our Twitter account. We verified our email. We learned that you could use a notepad to copy and paste all your stuff, so when you have to hit this over and over and over and over again, you don't have to retype everything. You get super frustrated.
Correct.
Then we minted something for the first time on Rarible.
Absolutely.
We did a bid, which was not the smartest move. Now that I look at it, now it shows that it sold for $1.
Yeah.
Wah wah. Then we transferred one to you.
Yeah.
Then you took us over to OpenSea. We opened up an OpenSea account. We minted over there. We did
Which
lazy
was a lot easier.
a lot easier and a lot cheaper, actually.
Hmm.
And then we went to learn about this. We sent two of them, so we might need to make one more over here just so we have it. So we'll just show you this one more time.
Yep.
All right. So we also showed you a quick little tip. So quantity 1.045. How much
Yep.
is that? How much it is?
0.0045.
Okay, so if you mess that up, you end up paying. You sure it's 0045? See, now you got to go back and check because these are things that you want to make sure you remember.
You got to.
Okay, so 045. So I
Is
was
that?
right.
Yeah, you
Zero.
was right.
So for 1 for 0.045, and I'm gonna leave all that stuff together. Hit this. Oh wait, I gotta pay more money again.
No, you shouldn't have to pay to put it up for sale, right? I thought that was only to like for the first time, for the first transaction.
Okay, good. All right. You guys get me nervous with all this signing and pop-ups.
Yeah.
All right, so that wasn't so bad. So now we should have 3 here, 2 eventually going to propagate on the other side. We got all the transactions history. We showed you about the NFT gas station. So we're going to hit refresh here. So look at these prices now. I think it's live because I remember this being 5. Now it's 4.
Hmm.
Um, yeah, so that's live. But this is on Rarible and on Foundation, not on OpenSea.
Not on OpenSea, correct.
So if we waited until now, we could have saved a few dollars. Not that that's a big deal. And we showed you how to do that. Now the last thing you said you were going to do, did you transfer a coin to us?
I'm about to do that now. So what I need to do is come back, share my screen one more time. All right, so I will go back to Rarible. I will go back. So, okay, I got that copied. So now I go back to my items. Created.
Now, how did you design this? You did it in a 3D platform?
Yeah, so the guy that you actually see here, Minder Dot, he's actually a German um NFT designer, well, creator, artist, designer, and he's actually the guy who brought my ideas to life. So everything that you see here came out of my head. He just designed it in Illustrator and all that, did all that for me. But absolutely everything that you see came out of my head. I just don't know how to work with Illustrator and do all that cool stuff. I'm a musician and a songwriter producer by passion and forex educator by profession. So yeah, so he's the guy who actually designed this Pipcoin social token for me. Um, but the whole idea, creativity, and everything came out of my head. So he was a complete work for hire. So that's why he only has like a 1% royalty for his work because I paid him. Um, well, I can't disclose that because I signed an NBA, but I paid him a substantial amount to create this for me. So he was a work for hire. He took my ideas out of my head and he designed it for me.
Cool.
And so what this gives the 300 members of my platform access to my platform. So if you click here, it will pop up.
So here's a question for you. Now, it has unlockable content. If you gift that to somebody, then they have access to the unlockable content?
Correct.
Cool.
And so
next question. Does that happen to secondary sales? So if one of your people who are in your class wants to resell it to somebody else, does the next person get access to the platform?
Absolutely. That's what makes it so dope, dude. That's what makes it so dope. And so as an extra bonus, what I did, because I wanted to make like a personal connection with the members of my platform, because they've been following me for so long and supporting me for so long, I wanted to share a part of my my passion with them. And so as I said, my first passion in life is music. I am a writer and a producer. So what I did was I attached an original song that I wrote and produced myself to the Pipcoin as a gift from me to my platform members and to the Pipcoin token holders.
Can we hear it?
Yes, absolutely. I'm about to play it. Seriously?
So what's the PIP stand for? PIP, yeah, you know me?
Yeah, so PIP, so anybody that know anything about Forex or ever traded in the Forex market, they know that that's the word that we use to count our money. The word is pip. So we count our money in pips. So I took that and I created my LLC using that as an acronym. So the PIP in my name stands for Precision Investment Partners LLC. So that's why they call me PIPS LLC. That's what the PIP stand for. Precision Investment Partners.
Nice, dude.
And I don't know why this thing isn't playing. So I will just go ahead. What I'm going to do is, because I love the NFT tips community so much, I'm going to transfer you guys your very own Pipcoin social token. And what that will do is that will actually give you access to my platform, and anybody who may purchase this access to my platform, and they can come into my platform and see what it's all about.
So hold on, before you do that, why do you love NFTs.tips? What does that mean to you, and what is, like, because dude, I just met you through this app called Clubhouse, and we spent the last 3 hours together. I think this is the longest we ever spoke one-on-one. Why do you feel like you want to do this?
Oh man, because man, let me tell you, when I first came into the NFT community, I knew absolutely nothing. Like everything that I showed you tonight, everything I taught you guys tonight, like I literally taught myself that without any help from nobody, just me going in and troubleshooting and just trying to learn these platforms. So when I come into Clubhouse and I see that it's an NFT tips group, and like you guys are in there doing everything that I would have loved to have help with, I see a tremendous value in that, because I'm like, whoa, man, had I been connected to this community when I first started, it would have saved me tons of money. It would have enabled me to move through these platform and these processes a lot smoother, a lot easier, and it would have just made the experience like so much more like fun, so much more like just fun, man. So and less stressful, might I add, may I add that, because stress is like the main thing when trying to learn these platforms, bro. Like it gets so stressful, as you can see from the last 4 hours, 3 or 4 hours, however long we've been on this call. So like I just love everything about the community. I love everything about the camaraderie. I love everything about the brotherhood, sisterhood, and it's just like, yo, we are like really the forerunners of this space, and like NFT tips is that. And so I love everything about that, bro. The way you guys are helping people, holding people hands, walking them through the process, like getting people set up, and like just teaching people the pros and cons, the all teaching people how to learn from all the mistakes that you've made, because that's literally what I do with teaching Forex. I literally teach the members of my platform the mistakes that I made up in up until the 4 years, because this is my 6 years in Forex. But the first 4 years was not profitable. The first 3.5 years of me trading in the Forex market was not profitable. So I literally teach my members every day the mistakes that I made to get to where I'm at now, being a 7-figure Forex trader. So what seeing you guys do that as well, it reminds me a lot of the value that I give back to the Forex industry. You guys are giving that same value to the NFT industry, dude, and it's amazing. It's awesome.
I appreciate you, man, and I can't believe that we were able to spend almost 3,000 straight hours on Clubhouse, 24 hours, 7 days a week rooms, and connected people from all over, different walks of life, different nationalities, different places, and we're all coming together to figure out how to build a new infrastructure for the new web, the new world. And I'm glad that you were able to take the time today and share this little tutorial with everybody.
Oh man, no problem, man. It was truly a pleasure, bro. It was truly a pleasure and an honor. So let's see if we can try this one more time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and transfer this one quantity. Did I? Let's do this. This. Transfer one quantity, paste address. Costing me $5, and that's done.
Do you know what over the counter means?
OTC?
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
So why wouldn't you want to do an OTC transfer and move the money in fiat or in ETH and just transfer it to avoid all the gas fees?
So how would you do that?
So let's say I see your artwork. I love what you got. You got this little chick with some turntables and some BITYES or whatever, right?
Yeah.
How much is that worth?
Well, I paid like $200 for it, but I got it up for something ridiculous.
All right, so let's say I want to buy it for your something ridiculous. How much is it for something ridiculous?
777 ETH.
All right, so let's say I wanted to give you 777 ETH. What's the taxes and gas fees to make that transaction happen?
It's going to probably be I think is it 2.5%? Yeah, like 2.5%.
So is it cheaper for you to transfer it?
Yes.
So why wouldn't I just send you the money and then you transfer it to me instead of paying the gas fees?
Because it really makes a lot more sense to do it that way. But then we get into that gray area of trust. You
So
see what
what?
I'm
So
saying?
what you're telling me is gas fees is the trust. You're paying.
Yes,
You're paying to make sure that both parties do exactly what they agreed upon.
absolutely, Alice. I couldn't have put it better myself.
So if I trust you, I can make that transaction and save the gas fees.
That's correct. That's absolutely correct.
So how come nobody explains it like that?
It's a good question. I've thought about it. I've even done it with somebody that I trust, but nobody has ever asked that question, Alex.
I'm always looking at the other side of the coins. So that's
Yeah.
why I'm always asking questions. I'm never satisfied with the answers of the people around me because I want to learn everything every day.
So let's see. Did you receive your pip coin? Refresh.
Boom!
Oh, y'all, baby!
So how does it feel to not only buy and share your artwork with other people? Like tell me what that feels like. You said you're a collector. How does that feel to collect somebody's work and know that you paid what you feel it was worth and empower these artists to want to create more?
Ah man, it feels great, bro. Like it really feels great because I really believe in the space. Me and my wife is a neurosurgeon, so she lives in the operating room. So I um I like empowering artists, even collectors. I just like empowering everybody in the space, everybody that's looking to learn and grow and evolve in the space together. I think it's so cool. It's like this organic life form that's starting to take its own shape and form right now, and it's like we are all like a part of like that beginning process, those beginning stages. And so it's really satisfying, um and it gives me like great pleasure to like be a part of that whole process. So like I'm empowered through being able to empower other artists and collectors. So yeah, man, it's a great feeling. I can't even explain the feeling, bro. One thing that I will add to that though, one thing that can be kind of aggravating and nerve wracking is because like I post a lot on Instagram, and I like most collectors, we ask the artists to drop their NFT work, and sometimes we may tell them, if you want to get your work bought, or you want to get your work recognized, then drop it on our timeline. But the thing that artist has been doing and like is really not cool is like jumping in my inbox, like hounding me to buy their work. And it's like bro, it's like, if I like your work and I resonate with your work and I make a connection with your work, then I'm going to buy it, I'm going to support it, I'm going to empower you through supporting your work. But when you get in my inbox and you hound me and you hound me and you hound me, and you like just spam me 24/7, like that kind of like pushes collectors such as myself away.
So how do we go about doing an auction?
Doing an auction, okay,
Do
cool.
you know how to do that?
Yeah, so what do you want to do, an auction on Rabble or OpenSea?
Let's do OpenSea for now.
Okay, cool
Since
beans.
we have 999,999 left. I just hit
Okay,
refresh since it said it went over, or I don't know if it went over yet.
okay, so now bring your screen back up.
How do you feel that this is going so far? Just curiosity.
I feel like it's gone great. I feel like it could have went a lot smoother, but um, internet connections been giving us a hard time tonight for some reason. We made a few fumbles here and there, but overall, I think we rocked it, bro. We both learned some things tonight. You taught me some things, and yeah, man, we taught the community a lot of things tonight. So I think it's been a home run, or should I say, a high hit to the left field. Maybe not a home run, but a good left field.
So do we get to second or third base? Which one do you think?
Oh, we definitely get the third.
All right. So where do we go now? I wanna sell one of my items in an auction. How do we do that? On auction?
Uh,
What do we do? I
yeah.
don't I don't know what to do, dude. I'm so lost.
Okay, so whatever piece we want to auction, we're gonna click on it.
So let's put one of these on auction right here.
Okay.
Now this is something I learned today. I ran a room with a young lady who minted her piece on Foundation, and she had sold her piece for 5.5 ETH.
Oh wow.
And when I saw the work, just like you were getting all these DMs, dude, I'm getting close to 10,000 messages, whether it's on Twitter, Instagram, my inbox, my email, my Telegram, my Discord. Like, people have no idea how much data I have to read and go through and respond, and everybody wants my attention. So she got my attention. She goes, hey, can you open a room? And I saw her work, and I was like, all right, we're going to do it for you. And I totally forgot what time it was, and she had like 30 minutes left to her thing, and I was able to like go back, and I was like, oh, okay, let's set it up now. We get on there, and one of the highest bidders was in the room. And
Oh wow.
that's not uncommon. When we did the Burnt Banksy thing, when it sold for almost $400,000, one of the highest bidders was in our room as well. So what's really cool is being able to connect the artists with the collectors, and this collector wasn't afraid to get on stage and share why he really was interested. And I asked him, I put him on the spot. I said, dude, why did you buy it, and when did you realize that you wanted to own it? What was that moment for you? And he said that when he saw the piece of art originally, he said it was really cool, he liked it, but it wasn't until he saw the Instagram post that the artist put together that gave a little background and understanding of where the inspiration came from the art, and it gave the collector a connection that he really wanted to buy this piece now, right? So I told her, just as an observation, that just because one person won the auction doesn't mean that the other people who made a bid and a commitment that they wanted to pay this price for it, you need to stay in touch with those people, connect with them, reach out to them and say, hey, you know what, you didn't win this one, but you obviously liked what you saw, you want to do something, can I commission a piece for you, can I do a collaboration where I could build something that you're going to want, and work with those people, because they wanted to give you money, you just didn't have the opportunity to win, and you have an idea of what their price point is. So
Absolutely.
that's just a little tip from here. So where do we go?
So now let's go to um scroll to the okay, let's scroll back up to the top.
Is it under sell?
Where you see sale at. Okay, yeah, sale. Let's hit sale.
And now am I gonna? It's last time I remember a bundle.
Yep. It's gonna say either sale set price or bundle. Let's see.
I'm gonna hit bundle. Let's see what bundle does.
It says bundle is to group a group of items together. I never did a bundle before.
Alright, so maybe today's not the day we're gonna choose that. But let's say this is a cool way to do it. Let's say they learned from this one and this one.
Mm-hmm.
So that's the bundle. They learned how to do both of these today, right?
Yep.
So sell bundle. and I'm gonna sell that one for 0.1. How about that?
Yeah, front one's cool.
It's not really a deal, so let's go back to here. Let's give him a break. So if you did both of them, you get them both for 0.67. How about that?
Yeah.
Always giving them incentives. So bundle name, minted. Why is this slow? On both OpenSea and Rarible helped me mint what was the price?
0.067.
65.
65.
NFTs.tips helped me mint my first NFT on both OpenSea and Rarible.
Yep.
Just got an extra R in it, right? That's good, right?
Yep.
Okay, ending price. Price. What is this? So, okay, now I'm confused even more. Add an ending price that will allow your listing to expire for a price to reduce until a buyer is found. What?
So I think that is the price that you're saying that you would be satisfied with.
Alright, let's just double check this. Oh, you were right. 0.067. You must be a numbers guy.
Yeah, I am.
Alright. So I'm listing both of these for a deal. Post? Or do I put all this stuff in? I don't know what to do.
No, we're gonna post our listing.
Oh, how about we put a bounty on it?
Oh yeah, definitely want to put a bounty. And explain to the people one more time what the bounty is.
It's not the stuff you put in your dryer to make your clothes smell good.
That's for sure.
It's a way for your curators to get an opportunity to get paid by sharing artwork.
Awesome.
Alright, so let's hit like that.
No way.
What? I think I have to sign. There's no way they're going to ask me for more money. What?
What?
Have you ever seen this before?
Why? I don't know if it's because this is the first bundle we're doing,
Alright,
or
let's hit confirm. I'm going to give them all my money tonight, and I'm going to go to sleep broken.
yeah, we'll do some panhandling in the morning.
Oh, man. Spare change. Spare change, please.
Yeah, man.
Another one?
Man, we're gonna end up like Mortimer and Wilbur.
I don't even know who Wilbur is, but it doesn't sound too good.
Have you ever seen Trading Places? Eddie Murphy.
Yeah.
You remember the two guys at the end, like
The
well, the
homeless
two,
guys.
yeah, Mortimer and what was the other one's name?
All right, so I got a problem now.
Items from these collections cannot be sold in minted bundles.
So did they take my money and then give me the error?
No, there's no way. They shouldn't have done. If they did that, that's insane.
Let's see. Ready?
Yes, let's see. Please.
All right, it's not even opening my wallet.
There we go.
They took my money.
Wow, are you serious? And gave you the message afterwards. Wow, really, OpenSea? So not cool. That's not cool, dude. That is so not cool. Wow. Like, I don't understand. Like, it's been taking all your money tonight.
This worse than the casino.
Yeah, that's insane. Wait, are you on the VPN?
No.
I'm really not understanding this. First, your mints is not going through the Rarible. They're not even showing on Rarible like they should. Hopefully they're just still processing. Like, yeah, I'm not getting that at all. Cause you're seeing it. And go to your activity again.
Where do I find that? Here?
Yep, right there. Yeah, that's crazy. So maybe, see, mine has a green check beside it.
That's because you followed me.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry. Yeah, I see that now. Started following. Okay. Yeah, so the activity is there. The transaction is clearly there. Why is it not showing in your collectibles? Is what I'm not understanding.
And it's saying you.
Yes. So that is crazy.
Okay, so we got some more homework to do.
Yeah, we got to figure out. I'm gonna email these guys tonight and see what's up with that.
It said it's success. Look, it says success.
And it even says success on Etherscan. So like, I'm really lost now. And I don't like that. I don't like being lost because it's supposed to be so simple. Wow. The transactions are showing, but they're not showing in your collectibles. I'm not understanding. I'm so not. Only thing I can understand is if it's just still processing through. Like that can like literally be the only viable reason. Like, I don't know. I really don't know. Like, that's mind-boggling for me.
All right. Well, I'm gonna say goodnight. I think we did enough for one time, one sitting. It's
Absolutely.
way too much stuff, dude.
Absolutely. Before we get out of here, what I'm gonna do is see if I can send us out with a song.
You gonna play a song for us?
Yeah.
Nice.
This is the song attached to Pipcoin Token, written and produced by myself. Let's go. Can y'all hear it?
I hear it.
Trying to feed my home, my home, my home. I'm just trying to feed my home. Trying to feed my home, my home, my home. I'm just trying to feed my home. Trying to feed my home, my home, my home. I'm just trying to feed my home. Trying to feed my home, my home. My home, I'm just trying to feed my whole team. Trying to feed my whole team. These niggas sleep, no codeine. I'ma wake them up, no Lorraine. No Lorraine, I'm trying to get this money. I ain't got time for that money. These niggas out here false fine. I'm telling you, they ain't about nothing. I can't open the fed, bro, and I hit the ground straight running. Been trapping 15 years, and still ain't got nothing, man. What's up with that? Bro, I can't fuck with that. See every dollar that I touch, I gotta double that. See the problem with my people is they don't like to take advice. But wanna come around and calm it down, then try to take us like now if I steal your ass. Shouldn't have to tell your ass. Not talking down on you, but just trying to help your ass. Trying to feed my home, my home, my home. I was trying to feed my home, trying to feed my home, my home. My home, I'm just trying to feed my home, trying to feed my home, my home, my home, I'm just trying to feed my home, trying to feed my home, my home. My home, I'm just trying to feed my whole team. I kill my team, I eat. When my team reflect on me. When you see me, you see them. When you see them, you see me. We motivate each other, then my family, my brothers. And God forbid if any one of y'all niggas ever try to touch me. Don't try, I'm fine. On site, no time for talking. No dollars involved. I suggest you keep on walking. We don't rock like that. Bro, you get shot like that. This industry, my cooking pot, I'm about to rock that bad. Man, the only thing that's on my brain is trying to get this paper. If you was smart, you do the same. And fuck all of them haters if I spare your ass. Shouldn't have to tell your ass. Ain't talking down on you, bro, just trying to help your ass. I'm just trying to feed my home, my home, my home. I'm just trying to feed my home, trying to feed my home, my home. My home, I'm just trying to feed my home, trying to feed my home, my home, my home, I'm just trying to feed my home, trying to feed my home, my home, my home, I'm just trying to feed my home.
So yeah, bro. Yeah, man. So basically, the name of the song is My Whole Team, and basically, I'm basically just talking to like my demographic of basically where I come from, all of the people on my platform. Like those are my bros, those are my sisters, man. We're all family, we're all one. And so that's where the motivation for the song and the title "Whole Team" come from, because I truly and honestly just want to see everybody win. And so I'm just trying to feed my whole team, bro.
Awesome, man. I love it. I appreciate it. And I can't wait to see what you're going to do in this space, dude. You're going to make ripples that are going to make waves.
Cool beans, bro. I appreciate you as well, Alex.
For sure. All
So
right.
yeah, man, I guess we're gonna bring this thing to a close.
So if you guys want to learn more, come to NFTs.tips. It's a domain name, and we're going to teach you everything you need to know about NFTs.